Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a business object BO in Oracle Visual Builder Cloud Services or VBCS. We will also see how to store data in the business object using REST API. To make things more interesting, we will build a employee registration form where you can enter details like name, email ID and rules. All the information will then be saved in the business object. This is a requirement. Create employee registration form and insert data in business object. This is a employee registration form application. My application employee registration form, employee ID, employee name, mobile number, department. User will put your all value and hit the submit button and record has been inserted successfully in the business object. Create a new business object. To create a new business object, BO, follow the step. Click on the business object section on the left panel in the data tab. Click the plus icon. Create button locator at the top on the page. Create a new business object. Subject, define the object. For example, business object name, implies name. Define the attribute your business object name, email ID, phone number, position and description. This is a business object tab. Highlighted box is a business object tab. Click the plus icon. Open the page in create business object like name, display label, cancel and create. Create a create type from endpoint in VBCS in the data tab located type section in the left hand side. This is a component tab of type. Highlighted box plus the type icon. Custom from the endpoint. I have a created from endpoint type. Create a variable of custom tab. This is a variable tab. Click the plus icon in the variable. Calling the rest endpoint action chain. This is a action chain tab. Drag the this is a component tab. Drag the rest call action chain. This is a rest call action chain. Method is a post key. I have a created record to choose the post method. This is a body. Map the body. This my application is a ready. My application employee registration form. Put your all value. Submit. Hit the submit button. Record insert successfully in the business object. Today we will cover all topics step by step. Let's move to VBCS instance and then go to practice. This is a VBCS instance page. To firstly create a new application, hit on new application icon. Name is a application display name is a employee underscore form. Hit the finish button. This is a welcome to the employee application. Hit on first of all I have created one business object. Hit on business object tab. This is a business object tab. Click the plus icon. Create a new business object. Put your name, employee. Cancel, then create. Business object is a created. This is a general name label. First of all, I have create a field. This is a field tab. Create a new field. Field name is a label, name, data type. Put your all type field. First field name is a employee name. Employee name. Data type is a string. Create field. Second is a employee ID. Employee ID. Data type is a string. Third is a email. Data type is a email. Fourth is a mobile number. Mobile. Data type is a phone. Fifth field is a department. Department. Data type is a stream. My field is a create. Go to data type. Field is a create. Department, email ID, email, employee ID, employee name, ID, and mobile number. Go to the design page. I have created one web app. Hit the web app plus icon. Name is a employee form. Employee form. Then create this main default, main start. My first design page is a open. Go to code. First of all, remove the all code. This is a all code is removed. My page is a blank. Go to component page. First drag a heading component. Heading is a go to property. Put the text employee. Employee registration form. Registration form. Registration form. Text size is a H5. Then go to component tab. Drag the form layout. Form layout is a look good. Form layout. This is a form layout component. Drag the form layout component. Drag the input text. This is a input text. First input text, then second input text. Sorry. Second input text, then third input text. Drag the third input text. Drag the fourth input text. Drag the 5 input text. This. Go to form layout properties. Label is the start. Look good. Form layout tab. All. Search the density. Density is a compact. Look good. Go to input text property tab. This put your name. Level hint text remove and put your name. Name is employee. Employee name. First input text is a employee name. Second input text is a employee ID. Employee ID. Third input text is a mobile. Mobile. Fourth input text is a email. Email. Fifth input text is a department. Department. And go to component pair tab. Drag the button component. Drag the button component. This is a button component. Go to property. Remove the label. Label is a submit. Submit. Go to property. Button design is a call to action. Look good. First of all, I have create a one type. Tap the type. Hit the from the endpoint. Drag the employee business object. I have create a business object. Data type is a post. Hit on next. This is a defined type. First create a employee name. Mark the employee name. Second employee ID. Mark the employee ID. Third mobile number. Mark the mobile number. Fourth is a email. Mark the email. Fifth is a department. Mark the department. Hit on finish button. Our type is a ready. We will change the type name. Name is a employee underscore form. This is a type created employee form. Go to variable tab. Create a variable. Hit the plus icon. Name is a employee form underscore form. Data type is a from the endpoint. Endpoint is a employee form. I have created a type from the endpoint. Employee form. Our variable is a ready. This is a department email, department ID, name, mobile number. Go to design page. Here put your variable, assign the value. Hit click the plus icon, employee. Go to property data tab. Assign the value. Value is a employee form. This is a employee name. Assign the value employee name. This is a employee ID. Assign the value employee ID. This is a mobile number. Assign the value mobile. This is a email. Assign the value email. This is a department. Assign the value department. This is a department. Here assign value is assigned. Hit the submit button. User will put your all value. Hit the submit button. Record has been submitted for business object. Go to tap on submit button. Go to property and assign the event. Hit on event tab. Go to OJ action. This is a this is a assign tab. Drag the rest call. This is a rest call. Tap on rest call options. Select the endpoint. Endpoint is a data type is a method is a post. Hit on select. Go to body. Map the variable value. This is a employee form. Map the value. Then save. Drag a notification component. User will hit on submit button. So the pop-up notification your record has been submitted. Drag the notification component. Here is a notification component. Go to property. Summary is a record inserted. Inserted successfully. 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 Notification type is a confirmation. Go to design page and run the application preview mode. Hit on preview option to run the application. Our application is a ready, is a live mode. Application, my application, employee registration form, employee name, employee ID, mobile, email, department, and submit button. Put your all value. For example, name is a employee name is a Rahul, email ID is a E001 E0001, mobile number is a 9577006688. Email ID is a Rahul @gmail.com. Department is a D001 and hit on submit button. Here is a record inserted submitted. Go to the business object data tab, then refresh this. Department ID D001, email is a rahul@gmail.com, employee ID is a E0001, employee name is a Rahul, ID is a default generated 2, mobile number is a 9577006688. Record has been submitted. User will put your all value, then record has been submitted is a business object. Our application is a ready. Thanks for friend. Thanks for watching this video. Then subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.